1974 Buick Regal 4-door. After almost 2 years that I've had it without putting a fuel pump, I finally put a fuel pump. It has not been used almost in 2 years. I kind of put a little bit of gas into the float carburetor, and I was able to move it a short distance so I can get it out and work on it. The fuel pump was a mechanical fuel pump, and it was about $20. It was special order. It's no longer at Advanced Auto or AutoZone. It took a while to install the bolt that's closest to the engine due to restrictions. So with a swivel and an adapter, it was taken care of. So it's burning off valve cover, oil that's onto the engine block, and possibly other oils from seals that need to be taken care of. It is running, and I've had this for a few years, and right now we're at 76,825 miles. Interior is not too bad, but I keep a couple parts in here. And this model had power windows from the factory. Very, very odd that I was able to find this vehicle after owning maybe about 20 Buick Centuries and Buick Regals in the 73 to 77 range. Pretty much all 4-doors that I've had. So I did another video on the fuel pump seat installation. And you could do the installation using the same method in reversal. That's it, fans of the 1974 Buick Regal sedan with a 350 4-barrel engine. I'll be able to drive this around the block. It is registered and is insured here in New Jersey. Have a good day.